My name is JASMINA. The title of my project is Psychology of Shapes in Logo Design. Well, choosing the right shapes to form your logo design represents a vital step during the creative process. Determining how these shapes will fit into your logo is crucial because it will ultimately help your brand maximize its potential impact. Well, have you ever heard of Gestalt theories of German psychologists from 1920s? Well, they hold that the human brain unifies the visual elements it sees to form a whole that carries significantly more meaning. A good example of this is the Panta logo used by WWF. Once you understand the psychology behind logo shapes, you will be able to use this knowledge to create powerful brands for your clients.
Circles embody femininity within their curves. Just as fertilized eggs contains everything necessary to create any part of living organism, the circle holds all possibilities. It supports and produces life. It represents mostly non-profit global organizations and governmental agencies. There is also a cosmic and celestial link to it. Can be distinguished in Samsung's logo, where the dark blue ellipse is meant to represent the universe. It can also be seen at the Olympic rings, which stand for cooperation, unity, and friendship. And moreover, circles are less common than other shapes. They act as attention seekers. Triangle is a leader. It's energetic and focused. It also depicts the direction of that action. Triangles have dual meanings. A shape that lies on its base can show strength and stability, however, placing it on a tilt can convey a sense of tension, dynamism, and instability. Triangles can symbolize greatness and superiority. The three stripes in Adidas logo create a triangle which symbolizes a mountain, a metaphor for pushing yourself, overcoming challenges, and being the best you can be. Given the association with movement and direction, it makes sense that the universal symbol for the play button happens to be sideways triangle. Take Google's Play logo, for example. Moreover, in addition, triangles are considered edgy and are many times employed in logos for alternative lifestyle products and more adventurous companies. Interestingly, triangle logos are increasingly popular in two very disparate fields, science and religion. Their association with power and masculine appearance makes them excellent for these two sectors, as well as industries like low male-oriented customer demographics too. We trust this shape because it feels dependable, safe, and solid. Other four-sided structures, like trapezium, depicts better stability and growth, and rhombus depicts speed. Curves are considered to be feminine, calm, and silent, whereas spirals have a tendency to grow. They are creative, religious, trustable, hypnotic, and calming. Companies communicate their growth and evolution can also use spirals to symbolize their ever-changing nature. Vertical lines block your way. They represent courage, domination, masculinity, boldness, aggression, and growth, whereas horizontal lines rest on a platform. They are calm and harmless. They represent calmness, rest, femininity, and silence, whereas sharp lines are most useful and aggressive.